Okay, this is the view of the Excel sheet, commonly known as spreadsheet, and here I will be showing you what actually the relative cell reference is. So first of all, just look at the table that is being generated on this Excel sheet. This is a small record that is about the first quarter laptop computer sales. They have shown the purchase of different types of laptops, brand Acer, Toshiba, Dell and HP 4, and from January to March their sales are being shown in number. Like January in 30, Acer was sold out in 34, and the number of Acer laptops were sold in February, that 50, and number of Acer laptop sold in March is 44, and at the end there is only a very simple sum of the 3 months at how many of the Acer laptops were being sold in 3 months, January, February and March. Similarly, Toshiba, Dell and HP are also being sold in 3 months with different quantity that is also being summed. Now the first thing that I am going to show you is about how I got this column filled up. This is a very simple. What you will do, just go to the cell where you want the sum of the three quantities and double click it, and you will get the formula of sum. This formula of sum is automatically generated by going through the formulas, and from there you can have it from the option of auto sum. From here you can click on sum. First you click it on, and then you see the value is generated on the cell that you want. Now the second thing is that from here also you can view the formula that is set in this cell, and in your formula bar also the same formula has been appeared. It means that if you want to change something in the formula, you can go to the formula bar also, and in same way you can even make the changes in a particular cell also, if you want to add anything or you want to remove anything. So this was one thing that I will like you to be familiar with. Secondly, what I did, see, this is changed. Now the value will also change. See, there's the reference is changed. REF reference error is giving because the reference of the cell has been changed. In order to make it correct, what will I do? I will simply remove this and I will add sum over here, and you can see there is a pop down menu. There is the formula of sum has been shown. Just click this, enter it. See, the 128 value is back. Okay, this is the first thing. Now come to our main topic, that is about the relative cell addressing. Relative cell addressing means that the cells that are relative to the cell of the output, which means that these three values are relative to the output of this cell. Means 128 value, that is the sum of the three values. These three values 34, 50 and 48, they are relative to 128, because when I'm going to add these three values, the sum will be 128. So the formula is generated in the same way, like this. Sum C4 to E4. See how I get 4? I get 4 from here. See this. This is 4th row, and the value of the cell C, D and E. C:E means they have covered all the three